I bet you didn't know how crucial the moon is to our planet. What if the moon suddenly disappeared? Poof, gone. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing nothing but stars, with no moon to light up the darkness. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But what if it actually happened? What would the consequences be for our planet, for life as we know it? It sounds like a science fiction movie, right? But let's dive deeper into this thought experiment. The moon has been our constant companion for billions of years, influencing countless aspects of life on Earth. Its sudden disappearance would be nothing short of catastrophic. But imagine for a moment the impact it would have on our planet, on life itself. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the ocean tides, which in turn affect marine life and coastal ecosystems. Without the moon, these tides would be drastically altered, leading to unpredictable changes in the environment. The moon, our celestial companion, isn't just a pretty face in the night sky, it's a stabilizing force for our planet. Its presence helps to moderate the tilt of Earth's axis, which is crucial for maintaining a stable climate. Without the moon, the Earth's tilt could vary wildly, leading to extreme weather patterns and climate shifts. It plays a vital role in the intricate ballet of our solar system. The moon's gravitational influence extends beyond just the Earth. It also affects the orbits of other celestial bodies, contributing to the overall stability of our solar system. Removing the moon could have far-reaching consequences that we can't even fully predict. Its gravity, though weaker than the sun's, exerts a powerful influence on Earth. This gravitational pull is what causes the ocean tides, but it also has a subtle effect on the Earth's rotation. Without the moon, the length of our day would change, potentially leading to longer or shorter days and nights. Without the moon, our planet would be a very different place. The absence of its stabilizing force would lead to a more chaotic and unpredictable environment. Life on Earth has evolved in the presence of the moon, and its sudden disappearance would throw many natural processes into disarray. The oceans wouldn't ebb and flow the same way. The moon's gravitational pull is the primary driver of the tides, and without it, the tides would be much weaker. This would have a profound impact on marine life, coastal ecosystems, and even human activities that depend on the regular rise and fall of the sea. Our seasons would be thrown into chaos. The moon helps to stabilize the tilt of the Earth's axis, which is responsible for the changing seasons. Without this stabilizing influence, the tilt could vary more dramatically, leading to unpredictable and extreme seasonal changes. Even the length of our day would change. The moon's gravitational pull has a subtle effect on the Earth's rotation, gradually slowing it down over time. Without the moon, this process would be disrupted, potentially leading to longer or shorter days and nights. So buckle up, space cadets. We're about to embark on a journey to explore the cosmic consequences of a moonless Earth. This thought experiment will take us through the many ways in which the moon influences our planet, and what might happen if it were to suddenly vanish. Let's take a journey to explore the cosmic consequences of a moonless Earth. From the tides to the seasons, from the length of our days to the stability of our climate, the moon's influence is far-reaching and profound. Join us as we delve into this fascinating scenario and uncover the many ways in which our celestial companion shapes life on Earth. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. The most immediate effect of the moon's disappearance would be on our tides. The moon has been Earth's constant companion for billions of years, and its gravitational pull has a profound impact on our planet. The rhythmic rise and fall of the tides, which we often take for granted, are largely driven by the moon's gravitational force. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the bulges of water we experience as high tides. These tidal bulges move around the planet as the Earth rotates, leading to the regular ebb and flow of the sea that coastal communities rely on. Without the moon, these tides wouldn't disappear entirely. The gravitational pull of the sun also plays a role in our tidal patterns, though it is not as strong as the moon's influence. The sun also influences tides, but its pull is weaker. The sun's gravitational force is about half as effective as the moon's when it comes to creating tides. We would still have tides, but they'd be much smaller, about 1/3 the size of what we're used to. These smaller tides would mean less dramatic changes in sea level along coastlines. This might seem like a minor change, but it would have a huge impact on coastal ecosystems. The intertidal zone, where the ocean meets the land, is a dynamic environment that many species depend on. Many marine animals rely on the tides for feeding, breeding, and migration. The regular movement of water brings nutrients and food and creates habitats that are essential for various life stages of these creatures. Think of the crabs scuttling along the shore, searching for food in the wet sand and tidal pools. These small creatures are just one example of the many species that depend on the tides. The sea turtles nesting on beaches are another. They time their nesting activities with the tides to ensure their eggs are safe from predators and the elements. The fish that spawn in tidal zones also rely on the tides to bring oxygen-rich water to their eggs and larvae, which is crucial for their development. A world without the moon's tidal influence would be a very different place for them. The delicate balance of these ecosystems would be disrupted, leading to unforeseen consequences for marine life and the human communities that depend on them. The moon's influence extends beyond our oceans. It also plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, the tilt that gives us our seasons. Earth's axis is tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt remains relatively stable thanks to the gravitational dance between Earth and the moon. But without the moon's steadying influence, our planet would wobble like a top about to fall. Over thousands of years, this wobble would cause dramatic shifts in Earth's axial tilt, leading to extreme and unpredictable seasons. Imagine scorching summers followed by decades-long winters. It wouldn't be a pleasant place to live. Life on Earth has evolved under the watchful gaze of the moon. Many organisms, from simple corals to complex predators, have internal clocks synchronized with the lunar cycle. Take, for example, the humble coral. Corals release their eggs and sperm in synchronized events timed with the full moon. Without the moon's predictable cycle, this synchronization would be lost, impacting coral reproduction and the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. And it's not just marine life. Some studies suggest that even human sleep cycles and reproductive patterns are subtly influenced by the moon. The disappearance of our celestial neighbor would undoubtedly have unforeseen consequences for life as we know it. Section 5. Spinning out of control. Here's a mind-boggling thought. The moon actually helps to slow down Earth's rotation. This might seem surprising, but the moon's gravitational pull exerts a force on our planet that acts like a brake. Over very long periods, the moon's gravity creates a slight drag on Earth like a gentle hand on a spinning top. This effect is known as tidal friction, and it has been gradually slowing Earth's rotation for billions of years. This drag is why our days are getting ever so slightly longer. In fact, when the Earth first formed, a day was only about 6 hours long. Thanks to the moon, our days have stretched out to the 24 hours we experience now. Don't worry, it's a very gradual process. The lengthening of the day happens at a rate of about 1.7 milliseconds per century, so it's not something we notice in our daily lives. But without the moon, this braking effect would cease and Earth's rotation would speed up. Imagine a world where the days are significantly shorter, and the rapid rotation could have profound effects on our climate and weather patterns. We're talking about a difference of a few milliseconds per century, so you wouldn't notice it in your lifetime. However, over geological timescales, this change could accumulate and lead to noticeable differences in the length of a day. But over millions of years, it could have significant implications for the evolution of life and the geological processes that shape our planet. The moon's influence on Earth's rotation is a fascinating example of how interconnected our planet is with its celestial neighbors. Section 6. A world without moonlight. Now let's talk about the obvious, the night sky. Without the moon, our nights would be much darker. We'd still have the stars, of course, but the familiar glow of the moon, illuminating our paths and inspiring poets for millennia, would be gone. This would have a profound impact on nocturnal animals that rely on moonlight for navigation, hunting, and communication. Owls, bats, and countless other creatures have evolved to thrive in the moon's soft glow. Their world would be plunged into perpetual darkness. Section 7. Could we survive without the moon? The disappearance of the moon would undoubtedly have far-reaching consequences for Earth and its inhabitants, but would it spell the end for humanity? Probably not. Humans are remarkably adaptable creatures. We've survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and even asteroid impacts. We're a resourceful species capable of developing technologies and strategies to cope with changing environments. While a moonless Earth would present significant challenges, it's likely that we would find ways to adapt and thrive. Perhaps we'd develop new forms of agriculture to cope with the changing seasons, or create artificial lighting systems to mimic the moon's glow. Section 8. The Moon. Our silent guardian? The moon isn't just a celestial timekeeper or a source of romantic inspiration, it's also a silent guardian protecting us from cosmic threats. Its gravitational pull helps to clear debris from Earth's orbital path, acting like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Without the moon, Earth would be a much more dangerous place, vulnerable to asteroid impacts. Just look at the cratered surface of our moon, a testament to its role as Earth's shield. Section 9. What will you do with the night sky? So the next time you gaze up at the moon, take a moment to appreciate its profound influence on our planet and our lives. It's more than just a pretty face in the sky. It's a vital part of what makes Earth the unique and vibrant planet we call home. Now here's a question for you. Knowing what you know now about the moon's importance, what would you miss most if it were to vanish? Share your thoughts, write a poem, draw a picture, or simply look up at the night sky and marvel at the wonders of our universe. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.